Hi Year 2, hope you're all okay. You've got me for maths this week. So here's our first video for your lesson, week 2, lesson 1. Excuse the hair, I don't tackle it myself. Now I want to recap first of all your doubles from last week that you did with Mrs. Doran. And I like to use music. So Google doubles rap and you'll be able to sing along, read along and move along to help practice your quick recall of doubles. It's a YouTube video which you might have heard as you've been going past my classroom, and it should look like this. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. Each day of the week you're going to play a hit the button game, and I'll show you how to get onto that soon. But you also need this grid from your pack, because you're going to have 4 goes at each game each day. Write down your score for try 1, try 2, try 3 and you've got try 4. And when you've done that, at the very end you need to work out your total for the day. Today's hit the button game is working on doubles. Let me show you how to get there. You might have played this with Mr. Correa, but I'm not sure. So type in hit the button, go to the website, doubles, and you can practice either doubles to 10, by hitting the button as quick as you can, etc. Or try doubles 5 to 15, to challenge yourself. And if you're feeling really clever, you can do doubles from 10 to 20, doubles to 50, or doubles from 50 to 100. You choose. And don't forget to write your scores down in the appropriate boxes. Good luck. How did you do? Did you write your scores down? I hope so. Now then, we're going to use those double facts to help us with adding 3 single digit numbers. And we'll also be using our number bond facts to 10. Now I do believe in being cheeky and sneaky in maths. It's all about finding different ways to make your maths work easier. Have a look at this screen. You can see the sum there, 7 add 6 add 7. And there are some special ways you could do that. Have a think, what could you do? I wonder if you thought of doing it this way. We know double 7 from all our practice is 14, but we've still got the 6 to add on. And hopefully you can spot that we've got a number bond to 20 there. And just to prove it, let's have a look at the screen. Here we go. Yay! So, how will we tackle this one? Can you spot a cheeky, sneaky way to do this? Hopefully you can see that 4 and 6 is a number bond to 10. And then we just need to add the 8 on, which is a no work sum. Because from year 1 you should remember that 10 and 8 makes 18. Let's check it on the screen. Here we go. Yes. How about this one? What would you do? Can you see any number bonds to 10 or to 20? Or can you see any doubles? What's your answer? The answer was 25. But that's a bit trickier. Let's have a look at how I do that one. Okay, for this one you've got to be really cheeky and sneaky. Hopefully you know that double 8 is 16. But then we should really add the 9. But 9's hard to add on, isn't it? I find that hard, even now at my old age. It's much easier to add on 10. And I'm sure you all know, think about working your way down the column on the 100 square, that 16 plus 10 would be 26. But then you've got to adjust it. You added 10 when you should only have added 9. You've actually added one too many, haven't you? So you now need to adjust it by taking away 1 and you get to 25. It's hard to write on here and do all this at the same time. Okay, you might have used a different method, but that's fine. That's what maths is all about, trying out different methods. So your turn now. In your pack you should be able to find this page, bonds to 10 and doubles. Don't write in the book, please. Write your answers on the squared paper in your pack. How did you get on? Okay, good. Did you remember to think about this bit? You don't actually have to write things down here if you don't want on the squared paper. You can just chat about it with the grown-up who's helping you. Have a look at this page now. Answer these questions using doubling. And again, we're going to use a cheeky, sneaky technique to do it. The first one is double 13. You've got to put 13 into the machine. What comes out? Well, here's 13 with my magic cards. And to double 13, first of all, I double the 10. Think what that will give you. And then double the 3. What would that give you? And then you add the answers together. Let me show you on the whiteboard. Let me show you. So first of all, double the 10. That gives you 20. Then you need to double the 3, which is... But then you need to recombine it. So 20 plus 6 equals, hopefully you know, it's easy, isn't it? It's another no need to think question. 20 and 6 is 26. Okay, you might be able to do these in your head, but if you want to jot things down like this on the paper, you can do. And it helps to check as well. Again, have a little think about this bit. You don't have to write anything down, just chat with the grown-up who's helping you. Okay? Right, using some of your sneaky cheeky methods, you're now going to play a game called the Totality Game. And the board game sheet should be in your work pack. I'll show you what it should look like. So this is it. It's on the Enrich website. It doesn't actually tell you how to play the game. You've got to watch the video to try and work out the rules for the game. If you fancy a little bit more maths, try some of these ideas down the side. But don't forget to have a rest today. I want you to remember to work at your own pace and don't get stressed. Enjoy your maths, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.